to Teach Me How to Clean. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to remove urine smells off of your bathroom floor. If you're anything like me and you have little boys amongst your... Welcome back to Teach Me How to Clean. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to remove urine smells that gets trapped on your bathroom floor, in your grout, and along the caulk line of your toilets. If you're anything like me and you have little boys, this is going to be a lifesaver for you. Amongst doing a little bit of research and trying to solve this problem myself, I found out you're not actually trying to remove the urine smell. What you're actually doing is trying to kill the bacteria in the urine that is causing the smell. That's why if you're going in with Pine Sol or regular cleaner, it's only going to mask it and then it seems like the smell comes back. This is actually going to kill the bacteria in the urine, hence getting rid of the smells. So first thing you can do is use just a straight vinegar. That's what I have in here. Vinegar, it's actually the acidic value in vinegar that's going to go ahead and eat away at all of the bacteria in your urine, and that's going to kill the smells. Now, if you don't like vinegar, because I use vinegar in a lot of my cleaning videos, and I get a lot of people saying that they don't use vinegar in cleaning their homes because they hate the smell or their husband can't stand the smell, and I do understand that. So while I understand that vinegar is a great option, it works for me, it might not work for you. The other thing you can do is take just a cheap old shaving cream, which I keep on hand specifically for this. Shaving cream, actually the exact same thing. It is a huge acidic value in shaving cream, which who knew? Do you know that you can also use this to clean your oven? I have a video on that. I can link that down below. We're gonna do the same thing here. We're just gonna shake her up. You can take your towel and just start buffing this all around your toilet, making sure that you are getting up close, maybe even bringing it up on your toilet a little bit here, just to make sure that you're really getting in that caulk line where the urine can kind of sit and fester. You can go ahead and let this sit. You can let this sit really as long as you feel necessary, whatever's going to make you happy. All you have to do is go ahead, take a dry towel, wipe it up. You can follow it up with your regular floor cleaning. Otherwise, you can get a residue on your floor from the shaving cream. It can be a little slippery. So I would definitely recommend just taking a mop and mopping up after you get all the shaving cream up. And it is as simple as that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in another one.